Let me decide. Don't push. No. Stop.
Now, the matter was meant for arraignment this morning, but two things played out, which clearly showed that the complainant itself was not ready for the arraignment. The second defendant was not made available. The second defendant was not in court. And it is right that all the defendants in a charge must be present to take their plea. And consequently, the complainant on its own requested for an adjournment for the arraignment to be done at a later date. And so we didn't oppose that application. The arraignment will now come up on Wednesday, 23rd of this month, Wednesday 23rd. That's exactly what happened.
Sir, did you say that the prosecution was not ready for the case?
What?
Did you say that the prosecution...
All the defendants were not available in
Yes,
court.
all the defendants were not available
In court.
in court this morning. And as a consequence, the arraignment couldn't go on.
It's up to an adjournment.
But you are ready to defend your client?
Of course, that's why we are here. We are ready. Don't forget that his presumption of innocence stands until any pronouncement is made by the court of law. He's presumed innocent. We are ready. Whenever we are called upon, we'll be there for him.
Yeah. We understand that there are 20 charges. Can you tell us some of those charges, sir?
Unfortunately, we are yet to see those charges. We've been served, but we are yet to read it. Our client was served late last night, and you will agree with us that there is no way between last night and this morning that we will have digested the charge. So we'll go through it and give the appropriate advice to our clients. Yes, thank you so much. A-T-K-I-N-D, S-A-N. A means Akinolu, T means Timothy, Kehinde, that is the brother of Taiwo.
Thank you. And they are very strong. Twins. Our twins man leader.